Hello students, welcome to SOURAV's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI MSQMS question paper from the year 2016. Today we will be solving question number 23, 24 and 25 from the same paper. So let's begin with question number 23. In question number 23 it has been said that let X be the matrix 2, 1, 0, 0, 2, 3 and 0, 0, 2. This is the matrix that we are given. In that case, then we have to find out the value of X inverse. There are three options given for X inverse, and in the fourth option it has been said that X inverse does not exist. We have to check out these four options. This can be done fairly easily. We have been already given that X is equal to 210, 023 and 002. This implies that the determinant of the matrix X is given by 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. So in any case the matrix X inverse will be 1 by determinant of X upon 4 minus 2 3 0 4 minus 6 and 0 0 4. We know that the value of determinant of X is 1 by 8 and the matrix will be 4 minus 2 3 0 4 minus 6 and 0 0 4, and this is the option C. So option C is the correct option. This is the option C. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 24. In question number 24 it has been said that suppose the probability of having a girl is 1 by 2 and so is the probability of having a boy. That means the probability of having a boy is also equal to 1 by 2. Now we are considering a family which has 2 children. Now we have to find out the probability that both the children are girls, given that at least one of them is a girl. That means one of them is already girls, and the probability that both of the children will be are girls. We have to find out that probability. So before that we have to define two events A and B be two events. Now what are those two events? The event A is the event where one of the children is a girl, and event B is the event that both are girls. So the required probability here will be the case. The required probability will be the case of P of B upon A, where it indicates the probability that both are girls subject to the condition that one of the children is a girl. This is the probability that we are looking to find out. Now P of B upon A, by formula it is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. Now we know that P of A intersection B is the condition where one of the children is a girl and both are girls. This can be only possible if it is equal to half into half. Now P of A is the condition that both one of the children is a girl. Now one of the children is a girl, that is the condition, then that value is equal to 1 by 2. So P of A is equal to 1 by 2. So ultimately P of B upon A is equal to 1 by 2, which is the option D. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 25. In question number 25 it has been said that let U, which goes from R plus to R, be a strictly increasing function such that U of X is not equal to minus 1 for all X belongs to R plus. Here it is equal to R plus, here it is R plus. R plus has been defined as x which belongs to R and x is greater than equal to 0. Then the function v which goes from r plus to r and is defined by vx is equal to ux upon 1 plus ux is, the options given are necessarily strictly increasing, necessarily strictly decreasing, necessarily constant, or none of the above. So we have been given that u which goes from r plus to r is strictly increasing, and ux is not equal to minus 1 for all x which belongs to r plus. So this implies that u dash x is greater than 0. This is the first condition. This is one condition that we have achieved. Now we have to find out whether the function vx is strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, or whether it is constant. That can only be found out if we find out the value of v dash x. Now v dash x is greater than 0, that implies that it is strictly increasing. If v dash x is less than 0, that implies that it is strictly decreasing. Now if v dash x is equal to 0, that implies that it is constant. So basically we need to find out the value of v dash x. Now it has already been defined that v of x is equal to u of x upon 1 plus u of x. This thing can be broken down as 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus u of x. Upon differentiating, we get that v dash x is equal to 1, ddx of 1 is 1, and this comes down to 1 plus u of x whole square into minus of u of x, u dash x, and there is a minus outside. So this is equal to u dash x upon 1 plus u of x whole square. Now u dash x is greater than 0, and also u of x is not equal to minus 1. This implies that 1 plus u of x is not equal to 0. So v dash x is not undefined. So we can definitely write that v dash x is greater than 0. This implies that vx is strictly increasing. This is the option A. So today we have solved question number 23, 24 and 25 from the ISI MSQMS question paper of year 2016. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching SOURAV classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.